guys. Today we're about to be guessing what planet sounds like, including the sun. So let's start with the sun first, and then Pluto. So anyways, you have to guess what sound it is in our solar system. Okay, listen to the first sound. Do you know what it is? The sun, of course. It is the sound of the sun. 10 hours. I put 10 hours because I don't want it that short. So anyways, let's listen to the first planet. Listen to the second planet. Or actually the first planet. Whatever. Listen anyway. Do you know what a sound is? Mercury. The sounds of Mercury. Pretty creepy sounds. So anyways, let's listen to the second planet from the sun. I bet it's gonna be the hottest planet. Well, listen anyway. Do you know what the sound is? Venus. Sound of Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. And it's Earth's twin sister. Venus is almost the size of Earth. As is known as Earth's sister. It is too hot to live there. But enough of the chitty chat. Let's move on to the third planet from the sun. With life. You know what is life? You know what planet is life? I guess you'll find out. Listen. You know what sound it is? Planet Earth. The only planet with life. Earth sounds from space. Yeah. So the Earth is our home planet. It's where you live. Move on to the fourth planet from the sun. It'll always be there. Maybe we should start with Earth's only natural satellite. You know what the sound is? Sound of the moon. The moon. Or you can call it Luna. I'll call it the moon or Luna. Let me just call it Luna. because everything will be weird. I'll put 1 hour of the Sun and Moon because I don't want my bit short. Next.
If people see how
Come on,
hemoglobin
hold
raises,
on. There's an
this can
80.
mean
What the heck?
business.
What is wrong with the 80s? Oh my gosh. You know what the sound is? Mars. Mars sound 720 HD. I don't know what that is. Next. Okay, now let's move on to the big planets. You know what sound it is? The gas giant Jupiter. Jupiter sounds 1080 HD. Whatever number you call it. So this is the biggest planet in the solar system, and it got a big red spot called the Great Red Spot. I don't know how that formed. Whatever. Let's just move on to the next sound. Just guess it. Sixth planet with those beautiful rings. Okay, it'll be very eerie, but turn your volume down for the next sound. That was very loud. I have to cover my ears so I won't get ear bleed. I try to close my ears. But do you know what the sound is? Very loud. You know what the sound is? Saturn. The eerie sounds of Saturn. Oh my gosh, that's so loud. Okay. If you turn your volume down, great job. Next. Seventh planet from the sun. And it's the coldest. You know what it is? It's the ice giant. Uranus. Or you can say your anus. I'll just call it Uranus. That's a stupid name. Why'd you put your anus in your videos? You better change it right now because this name sucks. I'll call it Uranus. Sorry, I didn't mean to be that mean, but move on. next one, the very last planet. And we'll move on to the dwarf planet, Pluto. The windiest planet. You know what? This is the windiest planet. The last planet. Neptune. Neptune. Sounds of Neptune. That's what I do. Okay. So, anyways, we're not done with this video yet, but because we forgot something else that you like. The dwarf planet who got kicked out in 2006. Listen. The dwarf planet is what? Pluto! The one you like. But there's still more dwarf planets. More like more like make. Why did it give? It's supposed to stand for make, but make. Whatever. So anyways, that's it. That's all the Sound of Planets. So anyways, see you guys in the next one. And I hope you enjoyed it. So anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.